Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be reacting to Canary by Chuu. This one came out about 2 days ago, so I'm a little behind, but it is okay. So yeah, let's get started with the watch.
멈춘 적이 없었지 우리의 날개는 푸른 숲을 유영하던 그날이 선명해 왜 나에게
Oh wait, it's just in Korean. Okay.
멈춘 적이 없었지 우리의 날개는 푸른 숲을 유영하던 그날이 선명해 왜 나에게 거리를 둔 채 동굴 속으로 I think you lost your way 괜찮은지 그 말 한마디만 들려줘 작은 몸을 웅크린 채 떨고 있겠지 유리로 된 너의 깊고 작은 세상을 I can't free set it free 하루 종일 들어도 좋았어 제잘거리던
Oh, this is a continuation from her last music video. Okay, that's so cool. Okay. Wrong button.
하루 종일 들어도 좋았어 제잘거리던 my little bird 내 바람을 실어서 보낼게 Come fly to me 그리워 너의 목소리 날 일으키던 날개지 Come fly to me
Ooh.
Come fly to me 내 품에 안겨 가득히 내가 널 지켜 끝까지 Come fly to me
Okay.
외딴 섬이 되는 일은 됐어 충분해 넌 모르지 네 주변이 얼마나 밝은지 큰 절벽 끝 기어코 핀 새하얀 Edelweiss I feel like you're the same 해가 지지 않는 그곳으로 함께 가자고 넌 말했지 난 아직도 기억해 그러니 지켰고 I will wait Come fly to me 그리워 너의 목소리 날 일으키던 날개지 Come fly to me Come fly to me 내 품에 안겨 가득히 내가 널 지켜 끝까지 Come fly to me I trust you're here I don't doubt it I really believe it I trust you're here I don't doubt it I really believe it Come fly to me 서로를 지켜 끝까지 난 항상 여기 있으니 Come fly to me
Ooh. Okay. I liked that. I loved the chorus. The chorus was so pretty. One second. Oh wait, no. It went to the next video. Skip. Okay, wait. Like
little bird Come fly to me
I feel like this is one of those songs that like it's good. It's a good song. But it would be like 10 times better hearing it live. Like just like the notes that she hits and the emotion and like just the vibe of the song. I would pay good money to see this song live. Especially the chorus, like the verses, they're okay. They're kind of like on the more forgettable side. but this chorus is so good, and the bridge was really good too. The bridge was really good. Um, I do like how they tied it into the last music video that she posted with like even the outfits were the same. The male lead same. Um, but yeah, this is a really good song by her. Like Chuu is putting out banger after banger. Like this is such a good song. Um, oh my god, yeah. Wow. Well, that okay. That is all the time I have right now. But damn, that was oh my god, I can't even I can't stop thinking about how good that that chorus was. Oh, but thank you so much for watching if you got this far into the video. Thank you so much. I love and appreciate you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. What should we have the comment be? Um, Comment the song that got you into listening to Choose music. Mine was I think it was Butterfly by Luna. Back when she was in Luna. Um, but yeah, that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Have a beautiful rest of your day. Um, yeah. Bye.